We think of basil as just a kitchen herb, but it's one of nature's most powerful healers. Its secret lies in essential oils like eugenol and linalool, natural compounds that calm inflammation and fight harmful bacteria. First, it soothes the stomach and supports healthy digestion. Second, it balances blood sugar and boosts metabolism. Third, it strengthens immunity, helping your body resist infections. Fourth, its aroma eases stress and tension, helping you feel centered and calm. And fifth, basil's antioxidants protect your cells and promote clear, healthy skin. In ancient cultures, basil was known as the herb of kings, used for both healing and spiritual purification. Basil, beyond cooking, it's medicine for body and mind. Follow for more natural healing secrets